Hi, I'm Jonathan Banks, Executive Automotive Analyst at NADA Used Car Guide with this month's Automotive Industry Update. Last year capped off another remarkable year of wholesale auction performance as new vehicle price growth, strong consumer demand, and a continued reduction in used supply combined to push wholesale prices to unprecedented heights. On a mileage and mix adjusted basis, prices for vehicles up to 5 years in age ended the year up by a healthy 4%. As has been the case for the majority of the year, annual car price appreciation was second to none in December, as prices finished the month 6% higher than they were the previous year. Likewise, van prices also finished out the year strongly by notching a 5% annual improvement, while utilities and pickups closed out the year with increases of 3% and 2% respectively. At the model year level, December's rate of depreciation continued the moderating trend began in November. This is very evident for truck and utility segments, where the average rate of decline was less than 0.5%. In fact, wholesale prices actually increased for later model year large SUVs, reflecting not only seasonal effects, but also the scarcity of supply. Although used supply has been trending down in general, the supply at auction has been off to an even larger extent because more vehicles are being sold in an upstream channel. This is a trend that we expect to continue in 2012, even as new car sales grow. In fact, the total number of vehicles up to 5 years old sold at auction declined by 23% last year, which is 5 points greater than the reduction in volume witnessed the year before. Compare this to the general reduction in used supply of 6%, and it's easy to see why bidding over the past year has been particularly ferocious. Price improvements are not only a result of fundamental market drivers mentioned earlier, but also reflect the strength and quality of product brought to the market. Strong product offerings like the Hyundai Sonata, Ford Focus, Chevy Cruze, and Jeep Grand Cherokee have enabled manufacturers to keep new vehicle transaction prices high, thereby creating room for used vehicle prices to grow. January's edition of the guide reflects these recent market trends, as well as our expectations that the rate of depreciation will continue to be slower than it has been at any other time in recent memory. As a result, we anticipate that improvements in used vehicle retention will be sustained over the coming months. With consumer confidence again on the rise and manufacturers following a sound build-to-demand new vehicle sales strategy, NADA expects another healthy year for used values in 2012. The anticipated strength in trade-in values will further support the continued recovery of new vehicle sales, and as a result, the auto industry will remain a significant contributor to overall economic growth over the course of the year. This being said, there are still some outstanding questions surrounding used prices, including the projected growth potential for the year and which segments will under or overperform the market in general. We'll be working on answers to these questions over the next couple weeks, and we'll share our used price forecast for the year at NADA's 2012 convention in Las Vegas, Nevada on February 4th. Thanks for your time and Happy New Year.